I'm going to show you how to use Photobooth and take a picture of yourself and then insert it into Photoshop and apply a filter for this lesson. We will be using this photograph for your painting. So you're going to go down, and Photobooth looks like this. You're going to click on it. It's going to open up and it's going to look straight at you. In the room, I have black paper as a backdrop, kind of hung up. You want to situate yourself. And then I want you to go to effects. I don't want this in a colored option. So there's all sorts of fun ones, but I don't want any fun ones. I want a picture of you, and I simply want it black and white. Then you're going to situate yourself. You can be smile, you can be silly. Take the picture. It's going to count down, and then it's going to take the shot. Then what I want you to do is I want you to click on the one that you like. You can take many. When you find one that you like, kind of click back and forth. You choose it, and then you go down to this box that has the arrow, and I want you to add it to photos. After you've added it to photos, you are going to go down to photos and make sure it's there. And you can see I took several shots. I can choose which one I want. And then you are going to go down and open Photoshop. Photoshop is going to look like this square with a PS in it. When Photoshop opens, it might want you to log in. Just proceed with Google. This computer may or may not remember me. So it is loading. I'm going to go to new and see if it opens up. All right. Loading rather slowly today. You're going to go to create new. You're going to title it portrait. And then I'd like you to put your first and last name. You want the width to be 8.5 inches and the height to be 11, the orientation vertical. I want you to, the rest of it is fine, and then hit create. Then you'll have a big white box. Then I want you to go to layer and hit new. Just go to select layer. This is all fine. Hit OK. And then you are going to go to file and open. And you'll go to your photos. You're going to select the one you want, and it's going to drop right inside your Photoshop. When you have your picture there, then I want you to go up to filter. You can kind of check out the filter gallery. It'll kind of show right here, and you can click on things, but the one that I want you to print is today. It's called Ink Outlines. So if you switch it, you can see all of these different wonderful things that you can do as effects for printing things out, but I want you to do ink outlines and hit OK. Now it has separated your picture into tints, tones, and shades for you, and it'll make it a lot easier to paint it. So then I want you to go up to File, and I want you to go to Print. It's going to talk about the printer's color and things like that. You can just ignore that. Make sure that it is RB103, that's the room that we have the printer in, and hit print. It's also going to talk about possibly cropping it off. So image is larger than the paper's printable area. That's okay. Proceed. And then I want you to check the printer for your picture. When you get your picture back, on the back side in pencil, I want you to write your first and last name and your hour. This is what we're going to be working on today so that we can be prepared to start our paintings next time. So then I want you to close out. You don't need to save it. If you'd like to, you can save it in your stuff. But that is all I need you to do today. Here is a place where you can kind of save things. I'm just going to cancel out and